Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here, and today we're going to look at natural language processing, or NLP explained. So hey there language lovers, are you ready to teach machines to understand our babbling? Let's dive into natural language processing faster than you can say superfracalifragilisticexpialidocious. Anyway, let's move straight on, I think, to the sketching. Okay, here we are. So here we have a robot with speech bubbles. NLP is like giving AI a universal translator and a degree in linguistics. It's how we go from computer says yes to oui in French. Here we have a bit of a flow chart. So the natural language processing secret sauce. We feed in our text or speech. AI does the linguistic gymnastics. Try saying that after a few pints of beer. Number 3, outcomes understanding, or at least a good guess. We move on over here to NLP tasks. Remember, NLP can classify texts. So is this spam or your long lost prince? Extract. We can extract entities. Oh, you mentioned pizza 17 times in one paragraph. Number 3, sentiment. We can detect whether a conversation is going well or is going badly. I.e., is the customer happy or is the customer unhappy? And then finally, down here, we have machine translation. So converting maybe from one language to another. Omelette du fromage, a cheese omelette. So that's from my very bad French to hopefully my reasonable Australian. Over down here, we have believe it or not, that is a librarian, and it's a robot librarian. And here's some books. I did say that wasn't the best at drawing, but hey, just humor me here. So here we have an analogy. NLP is like having a librarian who's read every book in every language. Ask it anything, and it not only finds the answer for you, but it also tells you the author and what he had for breakfast. Isn't that amazing? Okay, down here, this is where we get serious. Amazon Comprehend is the service we might use for natural language processing. It's your best friend forever. It's like having a linguist, a mind reader, and a gossip columnist all rolled into one AI packaged. And then finally, at the end, this is our case study. Here we have Siemens, who use Amazon Comprehend to help process survey responses. So Comprehend is able to extract information from the responses and then use Amazon Translate to convert to another language. Now their surveys zip through the cloud, getting translated, anonymized, and categorized quicker than you could say Auf Wiedersehen. Okay, let's move on to our exam tongue twister tips. So, no key natural language processing tasks. Things like entity extraction, sentiment analysis, classification, which we covered in an earlier video. Understand the basic NLP workflow, which you sure saw on the flowchart there. Remember AWS Comprehend. There is also a version called Comprehend Medical as well that can do medical terms. And also recognize real-world NLP applications. So congratulations! You've just taught a machine to appreciate Shakespeare and some emojis. That's a 900 score that's practically writing itself. So, if this video spoke to you, don't keep it a secret. Shh, no. Tell the YouTube algorithm by hitting like and subscribe faster than NLP can analyze this sentence. I'll see you in the next linguistic adventure. You take care. At Digital Colmer, signing off. Shh.